This is gonna be a whole new world. Asian cooking is a little bit foreign to me. I can't wait to work with Melissa King. I just am very lucky, because what a way to learn.
Next, I'm going to introduce you to all the Asian pantry.
This is something I want to learn.
You can do so many different Chinese dishes with just these core ingredients here. I know when I go to the market, there's like one kind of soy sauce, maybe two.
Yeah.
And there's so many different kinds, so I want to show you the difference between light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. The dark soy has been aged. This will have more sweetness to it. It'll round out some of that saltiness that's happening in the light soy.
See, I want to taste the dark one. Yeah, it is. A little sweet.
Try that up next to the light.
Woo!
Salty.
Yeah.
In the middle here, we have black vinegar.
Oh, I want to try that.
Black vinegar is made with black glutinous rice.
Wow, that's a unique flavor.
It has a lot of just depth to it.
Are these vinegars too?
Oh,
no.
This is Chinese cooking wine. It's called Shaoxing wine. Shaoxing wine has a bit of a floral note to it. It's very similar in profile to a dry sherry.
So these are peppercorns.
Yeah, these are Szechuan peppercorns. Give
Now,
them
is
a
that just
smell.
on the
I
smell?
wouldn't
Yeah.
taste them
No.
because they're pretty atomic
Ooh.
and it'll make your whole mouth turn numb.
No,
but that's
no.
the fun part about them.
Yeah, okay. So you just mix all these together and throw them in a wok with all the vegetables? No.
Essentially. You're going to.